Hello, and welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss some axis label placement techniques, which will help you draw great GGPLOT charts. Can you see the chart at the top right-hand side of the screen? And you will notice that the x-axis labels are very crowded and are not legible. The chart at the bottom has the x-axis labels nicely placed, and the longer text has been wrapped to multiple lines. Let's discuss these tricks to help make you great charts. Now look at chart 3, and you would notice that the axis labels are left justified, and in chart 4 the labels are right justified. I prefer chart 3, as in my opinion it is easier to read compared to chart 4. We will be using these packages in this example. If you haven't got them, then you would need to install them first. I am going to use some custom colors for fun, though I didn't really have to. Let's prepare the data for our charts. I am using the built-in dataset called MT-Cars. I am using a technique to convert the row names into a column name. Then I picked the first 10 rows of the result. If you are new to R, then we have many detailed videos on data handling and charting. Here is a GGPLOT script to create a bar chart from the data which we just prepared. On the x-axis, we have the manufacturer and MPG on the y-axis. We used a theme called theme_BW. Then, we set the title and caption. We don't want to see a legend, so we set legend position as none. Lastly, we used the custom palette, which we created to fill each bar according the colors which I specified. Once we run the complete script, we get this chart. You would notice that the x-axis labels are very crowded, and cannot be read at all. We will fix this issue using a simple but very useful trick to wrap the text automatically. Here is another GGPLOT script to create the same bar chart. But in this script we are using the string wrap command to auto-wrap the text of the manufacturers to multiple lines. When we run the script, we get this chart, and it is big improvement on the last chart. This technique is very useful, and you can adjust the wrapping after any number of characters. In the example, I used a value of 3, but the function is based on a paragraph wrapping algorithm, so it does a smart wrapping, instead of just chopping the words after every 3 characters. Now let's talk about another point on adjustment of the axis labels. Let's create a GGPLOT bar chart. Here is the script. Notice that I have given a command to flip the coordinates, so that the chart is turned around. The x-axis becomes y-axis and the y-axis becomes the x. See the placement of the labels on the y-axis. These are right justified and a bit difficult to read, as each label starts at a different position and is a bit hard on the eyes to read. Let's try to address this issue in this GGPLOT script. The script is the same as before, but in this we have added an additional command to set the horizontal justification of the y-axis labels to left justified. This is achieved by giving h just equals 0 command. Here is the result of this change. The new chart looks much better. th labels are now left justified, and easier to read, compared to the previous chart. I hope you found this information useful and practical. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.